The Xiaomi Mi 9 is probably the most affordable flagship smartphone that you can get in the market because it has a top-of-the-line Snapdragon 855 processor and it is priced under 2,000 ringgit. But if that's out of your budget, Xiaomi has also introduced a toned-down version of the Mi 9 and it is called the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. So we have a unit right over here, so let's check out what's in the box. So before I get into this video, I would like to clarify that this is an import set courtesy of Mobile2Go. So let's check out what's inside the box. I swear boxes these days are so hard to open. As usual, inside you'll get this box. And let's see what's inside this tiny little box. Okay, you get your steam ejector tool. Okay, then inside this plastic, we have a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack dongle, which is a good thing to have because I bet this device do not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. And we have some paperwork and also a jelly case, a black one. Moving on, we have this device which comes in blue. I'll talk about it later. Then the USB-C cable, as well as this charging brick. My favorite part of every unboxing video is to take out this plastic. Okay, so the first thing you will notice is definitely its back. It looks really nice. Just like the more expensive Mi 9, right? This also comes with a glass back. The one I have here is the blue variant, and despite being a more affordable device, this device actually feels very premium and it looks nice too. It has this rainbow color effect. If you look carefully, when I start shifting this phone, right, it has this really subtle rainbow effect. And at the back, you also notice there's a triple camera setup, and the main camera has this really nice circular ring onto it, which looks really good, and it is very bulgy, as you can see. And there's no fingerprint scanner anywhere. This is because this device gets an in-display fingerprint scanner just like the more expensive Xiaomi Mi 9. So looking around at the device, at the top you'll find an IR blaster and also a microphone. And at the right side there's a volume rocker and also a power button. And at the bottom, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack as I mentioned before. There's a USB-C port and also speaker grills. And at the left side, there's a SIM tray. So let's see what's inside the SIM tray. So let's check what's inside. Oops. Okay, so if you see closely, this is actually a dual nano SIM slot and you cannot add any additional storage. So this is quite an unfortunate thing. So instead of a curved back, the Mi 9 SE comes with a really flat back. But still, this device is actually very comfortable to grip, all thanks to its small form factor. So the Mi 9 SE features a 5.97-inch Full HD Plus display, and the Xiaomi has done a really good job in keeping the bezels to a minimal. You will also notice that there's a tiny notch that houses the selfie camera. So powering this device is a Snapdragon 712 processor that's mated to 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. But if you need more storage, unfortunately you cannot add more because you cannot add a micro SD card because it doesn't support it. At the back, like I mentioned before, it comes with a triple camera setup. There's a 48MP Sony IMX586 main camera, a 30MP ultra wide angle lens, and also an 8MP telephoto lens. And at the front, there's a 20MP selfie camera that lives inside this tiny little notch. Keeping this device running is a 3070mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. However, it does not support wireless charging and 27W fast charging like the Mi 9. And now for its price. So this device isn't officially available in Malaysia yet, but if you're interested, you can pick one up at Mobile2Go. So from Mobile2Go, you can get this device at 1,388 ringgit. So what do you think of this device? Let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here. And also another random video here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!